Welcome back to the Muse and Greg. If you've got a Gen 4 Mitsubishi Pajero, a common problem is the loud resonant rattle that comes from the airbox. I've put 3 Ryco filters through this vehicle and have had the same problem every time. The rattle is caused by the top half of the airbox vibrating against the lower half, particularly around the 2 catches on the engine side. And while you can jam various shims in between these 2 halves to stop it rattling, they do sometimes fall out or get lost if you forget to remove them before checking the filter. So listen, as soon as you put this down, allowing the whole top part of the airbox to move up and down. I was fortunate enough to bump into Pajero Club member S. Ville while camping at a free camp in the north of Western Australia, and he suggested a genuine Mitsubishi filter would probably do the trick. So this is the Ryco air filter that came out of the Pajero. As you can see, it needs replacing. Let's compare that to the genuine Mitsubishi unit. Now, of course, physically they're the same size and shape, but as you notice around the seal on the Mitsubishi one on the right is a lot taller than the one on the Ryco on the left. Now, admittedly, this Ryco filter has been in for a while, so it has squashed down a bit, but I've had exactly the same problem with all the Ryco filters I've put in. But when you measure them up, you find that the Mitsubishi filter is actually about 3/4 of a millimetre thicker than the Ryco, and that's enough to cause the sort of vibration we're getting. So we're going to put that new element in now. Put the airbox on, a couple of clips in, and now let's take a look. See now, the top part of the airbox doesn't wobble. The whole airbox is wobbling, but the top part of it is moving with the bottom part. Remember, this was the movement with the old filter, and with the new filter installed, that's all gone. See that? You're not getting that movement in just the top part anymore. Now listen, as soon as you put this down, right, that sounds better already. As you can hear, that rattle's all gone. Now, no difference in sound with putting that new filter on. That's why you should use a genuine Mitsubishi filter. Now, I'm not saying Ryco filters are bad. I've had a great run with them up till now, and you might think it's unfair comparing an old filter to a new one. But as I said, I've had the same vibration with brand new Ryco filters or old ones, which is why I wanted to try a genuine filter. We bought this Mitsubishi filter in Alice Springs in Outback Australia for $69, which is actually the same price listed by Supercheap Auto in Alice Springs for the Ryco part. I dare say in the city or online, prices for both would be different. But for me, from now on, I'm definitely going to be using a genuine filter in this vehicle for the sake of a quieter ride. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and until then, I'll catch you next time.